So I'm going to go ahead and state the obvious issue with the war in Ukraine and why there's no factual reporting. There's two pieces of critical information that are missing that none of the experts and none of the fools on YouTube and TV in this media talk about. That is, what is the kill ratio between Ukrainian and Russian forces? Number two, what is the birth ratio in Russia? What is the birth ratio in Ukraine? And do these birth rates allow replacement of soldiers in a long-term conflict? This is information that you're not privy to and they're not talking about. The reason is these are two industrialized countries fighting each other. So there may not be a birth ratio difference between these forces. And if that's the case, the kill ratio times the amount of people they can put on the battlefield would determine the outcome of a war of attrition. If you go to old information that is available, the answer to this is pretty obvious on who's going to win and who's going to lose. That's why they don't ever want to discuss this. During the Vietnamese War, the kill ratio was between 20 and 30 to 1, where U.S. forces killed 20 to 30 people for everyone they lost. What are these values in the Ukraine? Please share your thoughts, comments. We'll see you on the next video.